Where is the mask, PM? India has the highest number of voters in the world, and elections are itself a dance of democracy in our country. During elections, you can feel the change in the air. It is said that when a British meets another British, they talk about weather, but when an Indian meets another Indian, they talk politics. Right now, India is witnessing state elections in four states, that is West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, and in one union territory, that is Puducherry. The two national parties, namely BJP and Congress, along with respective state parties, are campaigning real hard to win the chief minister's seat. Although this isn't the first election after COVID-19 hitting India, we witnessed Bihar election last year, but the concern is this election season is adjoined with highest ever COVID-19 surge in India. Last Sunday, India got 1,03,000 new COVID-19 cases in one day. As you would have got it by now where I'm leading with all this, I am pointing to the government for not following the COVID norms themselves and pushing the country further into a pandemic. On 12th March, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a virtual meeting with chief ministers, warning them that if safety norms are not followed, then a condition for a nationwide outbreak may emerge. But on 20th March, just 8 days after that, Prime Minister's own rally in West Bengal saw thousands of people flouting the norms. In Niti Shastra, Chanakya said, Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. And I think the vice versa is also true, as the Praja was seen not wearing any mask or following social distancing at all. The Prime Minister himself was also seen not wearing his mask at times. And not only our Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah too wanted to come in the list. During his rally in Majoli in Assam on 22nd March, he was seen flouting the COVID rules effortlessly. Out of 22 people visible on stage, only one person was seen wearing a mask. And this video isn't about targeting the PM or the BJP for violating the norms. Everyone, including Rahul Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee, were seen disobeying the rules. Still, I am calling out Prime Minister primarily because he is the one who is leading us at present time. Now let us talk about what Election Commission has done for this. Since last Bihar election, Election Commission of India has warned political parties of stringent action against them if they violate the norms, which include maintaining at least 2 meters distance between participants and wearing masks at all times, including those on stage. The norms have been violated again and again, but where is EC? We don't know that yet. In addition to this, Delhi High Court has also asked Centre and Election Commission to reply to a plea seeking debarment of campaigners who are repeatedly violating the norms. Let us see when does the EC takes any action. I am opposing this for one more reason, that general public is penalized heavily, as much as 2,000 rupees for not wearing a mask, but the rich and mighty always get away, and this should not happen in a democracy. Primarily when Tamil Nadu and Karnataka is in top 5 states with highest daily active cases and West Bengal standing at 7th spot. Now this is more concerning when people at important positions like Assam Health Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma himself says that Corona has gone and there is no need to wear a mask.
एक तरफ इतनी सख्ती और अब मास्क की जरूरत नहीं है। नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है? नहीं है तो नहीं है, मैं क्या करूं अभी। जब सर केंद्र सरकार लगातार केंद्र सरकार अपना निर्देश दे, लेकिन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ असम कोविड आज का दिन में नहीं है यहाँ में, तो मास्क पहनने की जरूरत नहीं है। तो क्यों बेकार का आप एक पैनिक क्रिएट करें? जब होगा मैं बता दूंगा लोगों को कि आज से पहनो।
So the final question is, shouldn't PM Modi first himself strictly wear a mask and set an example for his followers? And shouldn't political parties be blamed for this second COVID surge? I hope you remember what we did with Tablighi Jamaat last March. And if PM Modi doesn't wear a mask, then we will always call him out and ask, where is the mask, PM? So keep watching my videos and share them if you like. Also, you can comment the topics that you think I should make videos about. Thank you so much.